Good morning, everybody. Yeah, it's Tuesday after lunch, and I'm only just starting my work week. Yeah, I slept in on purpose this morning. I got a bit of a cold, so trying to rest it off a bit. But yeah, I'm out here now, so maybe a little bit of a shorter week this week. But yeah, we're getting back into the Datsun. So, a little quick recap. So last week I got buttoned up all the chassis rails. I've still got a little bit of few welds to grind down, but also did the lower part of the radiator support and welded in the radius rod brackets and such. Now we've moved forward, well, backwards. And now we're fixing this mess here. If you don't know what's going on, go back and look at my last video on that, but we got quite an extensive amount of rust in this section here. It's like rusted the whole way down. And I've made this cap here, which is right here. So today I'm coming up with the plan of attack on how I'm going to tackle the rest of it. I'll probably, what I'll do is I will remove this part here now and see what's actually underneath it, because, yeah, she's rough. She is rough. So I'm going to get into that. I'm going to try and move quicker because, as I said, it's a short week and I want to try and get as much done as I can in the week. So, yeah. I'll come back, I'll do some reports as I go, but yeah, you know the thing, it's customers' cars, I can't spend too much time filming. So, yeah, I'm going to get into it. Alright, we got the outer skin off from here, this bit here. So, you can see it overlaps from this skin up here, overlaps here, and it also overlaps underneath here. So that's just one separate panel, so we're going to make that one up. Make it up as close as we can, and then we'll probably concentrate on this, but I'm thinking this may need to come out because there is a skin here, a reinforcing skin which goes behind this skin for extra strength, so that's got to be made too. Because we want it to be as strong as it was, if not stronger than what it was from the factory. So I'm really wearing down here because, yeah, I haven't had a head cold for about 8 years, and it's hitting me. So I'm going to call it a 2-hour day. I'm going to get a big sleep tonight, and I'm going to come out here tomorrow and I'm just going to power through it regardless. But today I just can't concentrate, so it's best I call it, and we'll come back tomorrow. Oh, one thing I'll show before I go is the seal panel's full of body filler too, so I found that up there. So that's interesting, I'll say, for now. So here we go. I got that bit all fresh tin welded in. Haven't spot welded it here yet, but I will after I've next made this section up here. So I've got to make it, I'm going to do a line from here up to about all the way to the top. Now I've worked out that this panel here doesn't go all the way to the back of the A pillar, sorry. So we go in here. This line down here is where it was spot welded the whole way down the back, this part of the A pillar. But I'm going to have to replace some of the inside A pillar skin as well. So I'm going to make this section up, then I'm going to cut that section out, then I'm going to repair this, and then I'm going to weld that back in, if that makes sense. Sorry, my cold. I hate feeling sick. Anyway, the top half here will be fixed after I've done all that. And that'll be this side done. Sounds bloody easy, doesn't it? Alright, I've cut out all this rusty section here. So it's going to be a little bit easier to fix the inside now because I can get a little bit more room. I just thought I'd show you this. I think it was last video I explained how I make these tabs when I do the cut for the weld. So what I'll do is I'll quickly stick that back on. So yeah, now as you can see, I've got the perfect cut line, weld line. And what I'll do is I'll tack it down here, then I'll run my little reciprocating saw down here to cut that tab off, take the tack screw out. I usually use Clecos, but I broke my 3mm drill bit that I use for drilling the Cleco holes. So yeah, I cut those tabs off, then I'll tack it up to here, do the same, cut that tab off, and yeah, work my way up. So as you can see, there's a gap there, but once I pull it in, that'll be fine. So I've got to clean up this flange now. I may have to make a new flange, but what I might do is I might fix this bit up the top first so I've got the actual shape all the way up, so I know what I'm doing here. So yeah, I think I've got about an hour and a half left of the day, so that's what I'll do. I'll make that up and then yeah, I'll see how I go after that. Good morning, everybody. I lost a day somewhere. I did take yesterday off because I got this horrible cold. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. Feel like my testicles have dropped. But anyway, yeah, I'm back into it today, Friday. Yeah, I made this bit here up to replace that bit there. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Try get that bit in. And then we're going to move back and concentrate on looking at the inside of the B pillar here. Oh, sorry, A pillar. Keep calling it a B pillar for some reason. And see what we can get done today. Sorry, guys. I think I might have to put my dust mask on today for sure. I feel fantastic. Anyhow, into it. Okay, so I've cut this open and I've looked in a bit deeper. As you can see, that's pretty rough. Yeah, up there too. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to open this up a little bit more. So I'm going to get the windscreen out and yeah, yeah, that we can't leave that. That's not pretty. Yeah. Anyway, into it. So the windscreen is out. As you can see, it's rusty all around here. So I'm going to make this outer skin up. Probably going to cut it back to about here as well. It's in a two-piece, as you can see. Main reason is I'm trying to open this up so I can get into here, because this is going to be hard to get at. But this is why it's rusty down there. So the water's been getting in up here and dribbling right down inside the A pillar. And yeah, it's pretty much rusted it out down here. All the way down. All of that is responsible. This is responsible for all of that. So anyhow, battling through, I'll get into it. Okay, so we've made this bit up. So it looks a bit better than that. Anyway, just thought I'd show you. Okay guys, it's knock-off time. Just thought I'd give you a bit of a look here before I do so, because the sun's going down. And yeah, anyway, I de-scun right back up to here. And yeah, she's a bit chunky. So I'm in the middle of making this outer skin here for the A-pillar. But yeah, it's knock-off time. I'm trying to make it as fast as I can, so I'm making it in sections. I've cut out this part here too, which is up here. So that's going to be that bit there. I'm going to weld it all together, and it will be nice and neat. And yeah, you won't know any different. It's going to be tidy, and it's going to save a lot of time from trying to make that piece, because it's quite a complicated piece. I'm trying to get it all done in one. So once that's cut out, I'm trying to get in behind here so I can fix up. Whoops, hang on. So once that's all cut out, I'm trying to get in here so I can fix up all this mess in here. Because we don't want this to come back. Yeah, anyway. It's knock-off time. It's been a rough week with my cold and all of that, but I can feel I'm starting to get better. So next week I should be back into it full time and going hard at it. I got the Valiants coming back. You'd have to go back some episodes, quite a few episodes to see that. It's coming back to be finished off because I only got up to primer stage. So anyway, we'll go over that next week, and yeah, the Falcon's going. So anyway, that's enough of that. Too much rambling. I'm going to sign off here, so you know the drill. Like and subscribe, all that sort of shit, and I'll catch you when I'm looking at you.